Hello, what's up guys, welcome back again to a new video. So today in this video, as I have said earlier, I'm going to show you guys how to create a resume using the artificial intelligence system which is known as kickresume. So if you have not seen my last video, I'll give the link in the description. You can go and check the video out. But let me give you a quick overview of the video. Like I told about the artificial intelligence AI system where we can create resume using artificial intelligence. Also, we can get to see the resume of different peoples who got selected to different companies, big tech companies. That's all. So today I'm going to show you how we can create the AI artificial intelligence resume using that particular AI which is known as kickresume. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Go to the browser and go to this website kickresume and click on the first link here. So after that, they will generally lead you to this. So they will bring you to this page where you can see create new option. So let's click on create new and click on resume. So after that, they will tell us to select a template which is by we can filter it by profession, like what type of resume we want or what we are up to. So for that, I'm going to first select software engineering and I will try to find a template which will be fit for me, and I'll use it as a template and use it as an example for me. So I want to select this resume and let's click on select here, and okay, they are generating the preview for me. Alright, this is how it looks like. Also, you have to log into the website. After logging in, they will just directly give you the name and also give you the personal information along with the logo. So after that, I can edit all these options here using this area. So if I click here personal information, then you can just edit your picture, you can edit the first name, last name, also you can give your phone number, email address. All right, okay, after having this field done, let's move on to work experience. If I click here in work experience, they will open this. So here I can give the work company name along with the job title, city, country, and the time period to which I have worked on that company, or am I currently working there, everything like that. Now coming to the education, if I click on this education option, they will open this here where I can write the institution name along with the field of study, degree, city, country, everything. That makes us pretty easier to create the resume using this website. Alright, that's how we can also add the skills in the similar way. So that's how we can create our resume using this kickresume.com using the examples of the best resume which I've got selected earlier. That's all, but sometimes the disadvantage remains here is that you have to go for premium. Sometimes when you select the resume, there may be some resumes which are in the premium content, so you have to pay for that. Alright, that's the only disadvantage. The other thing you can do is just you can find the example here and rest you can create your resume using the Canva. That's a good idea to do so. That's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to let me know in the comments if this video helped you or not, and I'll see you in the next video.